Welcome to Best Product Reviews. If you're looking to find the perfect mirrorless camera, you've come to the right place. We're diving into the best options you can buy today, breaking them down to help you choose the ideal camera for your needs and budget. Let's get started with our countdown of the top 5 best mirrorless cameras for 2025. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Canon EOS R100, the best mirrorless camera if you're on a strict budget. The most important word here is best, because a cheap price doesn't always mean good photos. The EOS R100, however, delivers impressive performance for its low cost. It's simple but very effective. The camera features a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor that produces lovely-looking stills, perfect for sharing on social media. It benefits from Canon's fantastic color science, meaning you get lifelike and vibrant colors right out of the camera. It's also compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. While it does shoot 4K video at 25 frames per second, it comes with some sacrifices to meet its budget-friendly price. The 3-inch LCD screen is fixed and isn't a touchscreen. The autofocus system is solid, but lacks the advanced subject detection modes found in more expensive models. If your main concern is price and you want a simple camera for great photos of family, friends, and vacations, the EOS R100 is an unbeatable entry point into photography. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links given in the description. Coming in at number 4, EOS R50, our pick for the best mirrorless camera for beginners. While the R100 is great for tight budgets, the R50 is a more complete package that offers plenty of room to grow. It uses a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor that captures beautiful, sharp images with impressive dynamic range and Canon's legendary color accuracy. What truly sets the R50 apart at this price is its outstanding autofocus. It packs a version of Canon's formidable dual-pixel autofocusing system, the same technology found in advanced cameras. This brings snappy AF performance with subject detection and tracking for both humans and animals, ensuring your shots are always in focus. For video, it shoots 4K at 30 frames per second. It also features a 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen, which is incredibly useful for vlogging or shooting at creative angles. The main drawbacks are a tendency to overheat when shooting long 4K videos and a limited selection of native APS-C lenses, though it can use Canon's full-frame RF lenses. If you're a beginner who wants a camera that's easy to use but powerful enough to grow with, the EOS R50 is worth the investment. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links given in the description. At number 3, we have the best mirrorless camera for vlogging, the Fujifilm XS20. This camera is a powerhouse for content creators. It can shoot stunning 6.2K video at 30 frames per second, giving you incredible detail and the flexibility to crop in post-production without losing quality. It also shoots 4K at a smooth 60 frames per second. For more experienced users, the XS20 records in 422 10-bit color internally and supports F-Log for professional color grading. What makes it perfect for vlogging are its dedicated creator modes. A product showcase mode automatically shifts focus from your face to any item you hold up to the camera, which is perfect for demo videos. The autofocus with subject detection is brilliant at keeping you in focus while you move. Plus, its 5-axis and body image stabilization, or IBS, keeps handheld footage smooth. The battery life is also a huge advantage, rated for an impressive 750 shots. The main downside is that it only has a single SD, but for a vlogger or content creator looking to produce professional-looking video, the XS20 is an incredible tool. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links given in the description. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Nikon ZF, the best retro mirrorless camera available. This camera perfectly blends classic design with modern technology. It's styled after Nikon's legendary 35mm film cameras, featuring tactile top-plate dials for exposure control that make shooting a hands-on, engaging experience. But under that gorgeous exterior is a very capable modern camera. It houses a 24-megapixel full-frame sensor that delivers excellent image quality, with vibrant colors and strong performance in low light. A standout feature is its powerful 8-stop and body image stabilization, which helps you get sharp photos even with slow shutter speeds. The autofocus system is advanced, with effective subject detection that can track fast-moving subjects with ease. It also has dual card slots, although one is a microSD slot, which is a minor drawback. While it's primarily built for photography, it can shoot 4K video up to 60 frames per second with a crop. If you love the look camera but want the power and performance of a modern full-frame mirrorless system, the Nikon ZF is a truly special camera. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links given in the description. And finally, at number 1, our pick for the best mirrorless camera for street photography and a fantastic all-around performer is the Fujifilm X-T50. This camera is built for capturing life as it happens. It features a high-resolution 40.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, which captures incredible detail and gives you plenty of room to crop your images without losing quality. For the fast-paced, unpredictable nature of street photography, its rapid autofocus system quickly locks onto faces and eyes, even in challenging light. The 7-stop in-body image stabilization is another huge benefit, allowing for sharp handheld shots at very slow shutter speeds. What makes the X-T50 truly special for many photographers is its tactile design and a new, dedicated film simulation dial. This dial gives you immediate access to 20% of Fujifilm's celebrated film simulations, like Acros and Nostalgic Negative, so you can change the aesthetic of your shots instantly. It's comfortable to hold and use all day. The main downsides are its relatively poor battery life and a lack of weather sealing. However, for stunning image quality, outstanding performance, and a truly joyful shooting experience, the Fujifilm X-T50 is an ideal choice for enthusiasts. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links given in the description. So there you have it, our picks for the top 5 best mirrorless cameras in 2025. Whether you're just starting out, creating content for a living, or capturing moments on the street, there's a camera on this list for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Best Product Reviews, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video.